Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer, your home for America's best classic motorcycles for sale. Let's dive straight into today's lineup. One, 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,600, South Carolina. We start with a true East Coast survivor, a 1984 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead that still delivers the raw, mechanical character riders love from this era. The seller rides it almost every day and says it never fails to draw compliments. No leaks, no drama, just a classic Ironhead that fires right up and shifts strong. It's been refreshed with new clutches, a new stator, voltage regulator, fresh pushrod seals, rocker box gaskets, and a rebuilt front master cylinder, the kind of maintenance most Ironheads desperately need but rarely get. The intake boots could use a little attention, but that's minor compared to the amount of work already done. It comes with extra parts and a clean South Carolina title, and the seller is open to trades. For anyone wanting a running, riding, affordable Harley classic, this is one of the best value buys on today's list. 2. 1977 Honda CB750F Supersport, $2,500, Florida. Next up, a legendary Japanese muscle bike, the 1977 Honda CB750F. This one is a strong runner with just under 20,000 miles, clean title, and a long list of fresh parts. The seller has rebuilt both the front and rear master cylinders, rebuilt the carbs, installed new electronic points, tank rubbers, chain, coils, shocks, fork seals, LED lighting, and a brand new front tire. Everything works: the horn, the blinkers, electric start, and even the Kickstarter. It needs a back tire and a seat latch, but it includes a cafe seat and spare carb set. Cash only, no PayPal, and test rides require cash in hand. A very honest, well-presented CB750F that's priced right and ready for weekend backroad fun. 3. 1988 BMW R100 Monolever, $4,000, Georgia. For riders who want reliability paired with classic German touring charm, this 1988 BMW R100 is dialed in. Mechanically sorted, this bike has had all the big-ticket items addressed, so the next owner can just ride. The charging system has been upgraded to the Enduralast setup, a major improvement over stock. The top end has been resealed with fresh gaskets, carbs serviced, front master cylinder rebuilt, and a new battery installed. Tires are from 2023 and still healthy. Cosmetically, it's a rider-quality machine, not a museum piece, but honest patina that tells the story of a bike enjoyed over decades. A clean-titled, mechanically confident touring classic at a fair price. 4. 1984 Kawasaki 550 LTD C3, $2,800, Florida. This Kawasaki 550 LTD is an incredibly clean survivor, described as like new despite its age. With 48,000 miles, a 4-cylinder inline engine, and a 6-speed gearbox, this lightweight cruiser is surprisingly sporty for its class. The owner has rebuilt the top end, refreshed the brakes, installed new tires, and rebuilt the front shocks. It also comes with Tourmaster bags, a king and queen seat, manuals, and a 4x1 exhaust. At under $3,000, it's rare to find a 1980s Kawasaki cruiser this original and this sorted. A fantastic weekend or commuter classic. Number 5. 1976 BMW R Series Daytona Orange, $9,000, Florida. Now we move into collector territory. This 1976 BMW R Series isn't just any vintage BMW. It's a Daytona Orange example, one of the most iconic and desirable color schemes BMW ever produced. Even more impressive, it was reportedly previously owned by three-time AMA Superbike champion Reg Pridmore, adding a layer of historical importance. With 56K original miles and over 7 years of service records, it's been fully maintained and is road-ready today. This is the kind of bike where value isn't just in the ride, it's in the provenance and the timeless appeal to BMW collectors. 6. 1969 Triumph TR6 650, $6,000, Arkansas. British motorcycle fans will appreciate this beautifully sorted 1969 Triumph TR6 with matching numbers. Upgraded with a Mikuni carb, electronic ignition, and fresh top-end work from Jerry's Triumph and Little Rock, this classic is running stronger than it has in decades. New pistons, rings, gaskets, clutch, battery, seals, petcock, fuel lines, the work list is extensive. And with under 50 miles since the rebuild, it's barely broken in. A clean title and fair price make this a standout vintage Triumph for collectors and riders alike. Seven. 1980 Suzuki GS, $2,200, Alabama. This 1980 Suzuki GS is a clean, all-original survivor maintained with care. It comes with nearly new Dunlop tires, a fresh valve cover gasket, synced carbs, rebuilt front forks, and a solid running 4x2 exhaust setup. The seller is simply retiring from motorcycle riding and is willing to trade for an e-mountain bike or enclosed trailer, a very reasonable classic at a fair price. A reliable, smooth-running Japanese standard ready for daily use or weekend rides. 8. 1981 Yamaha Virago, $2,000, Alabama. A budget-friendly custom starter, this 1981 Yamaha Virago has the essentials refreshed. New tires, new carburetor, new headlight, and a cafe-style seat. It does not have a title, but the seller says it's registered in their name and does not require one in their state. For buyers comfortable with older Yamaha V-twins and local titling rules, this could be a great entry into the cafe scene. Simple, affordable, and ready to personalize. 9. 1989 Honda Goldwing GL 1500, $2,499, Florida. For long-distance riders, this is an unbeatable deal. A 1989 Goldwing GL 1500 with a clean title, fully functional electronics, and Honda's legendary 6-cylinder engine. It features cruise control, adjustable air suspension, reverse gear, massive luggage capacity, and new battery and fluids. If you want touring comfort on a classic budget, the GL 1500 remains one of the most capable machines ever built, and this one is priced exceptionally well. 10. 1972 Harley-Davidson FLH, $10,000, Kentucky. We end with a timeless American heavyweight, a 1972 Harley-Davidson FLH shovelhead. This 53-year-old machine still runs strong and remains numbers matching, a major plus for Harley collectors. It includes the original fairing and tour pack, and while it needs minor work like a brake caliper rebuild, it's fundamentally a solid, authentic shovel head. With fresh tires and a new battery this spring, it's ready for its next chapter. If you've been hunting for a vintage FLH that hasn't been butchered, this is one of the cleaner, more honest examples on today's list. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds across America.